everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nurgül. Today I am going to record a video, but it will be a different video because I will speak only English. And it will be my first experience of English videos, but I wanted to try because why not? So today we will do some makeup, daily summer makeup. Let's start the video. So I will start with a primer, but I won't use a primer, a real primer. I will use this Glow Cherry. Everybody knows this one. It's from L'Oréal Paris. So let's start with this because we want to shine in summer. So I will apply this to all of my face like this. I will use my fingers for spread it. You can see the shine of my face. I really love this product. It used to be cheap when I bought it, but it's a little expensive now. I don't know how much. Yes, we started to shine. And after that, I will use a concealer from Görkito. This is my favorite concealer these days. I will apply this product to my under eyes and some of my pimples. There's a lot of them. I will spread it with a sponge, but first it should be wet, and I will use this Hydralist from Diaderm. I don't know. Yes, it's wet now. My under eyes. And all of my face because I have a lot of pimples. And by the way, I don't like using foundation in summer. It's so hot and these products make me uncomfortable. But I will use it anyway, a little, not too much. I will use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's a stick foundation. I can recommend it to everyone because I really love it. It's really easy to use. I don't use it too much. I'm using same sponge to spread it. Yes, my face is shining. Maybe you can see it clearly in the camera, but in the mirror I'm definitely shining. By the way, I will use same product for a highlighter, this one, but not now. Let's move on with powder to fix my foundation and my concealer. I will use this brush for it. I will use from Baileys. It's an transparent powder, finishing powder. Doesn't matter, you can use whatever you want. I'm using this. I will apply this only my under eyes and some of my pimples, not all of my face because I want to shine. Yes, that's enough. Let's move on with eyes. I will use this Canton palette from Maybelline New York. I really love these colors. Look at these colors. First of all, I will use a blending brush, this one. I will use this white color first as a base or something like that. Not too much. I don't like using eyeshadow in summer, but anyway, let's do some eyeshadows. And after that, I am taking another brush like this. I want to use this one because I don't like too much colorful things, just the bottom side of my eyelid, I guess. I want some color in the middle, so I will use this golden, just a little middle of my eyelid. I will mix it all of my eyelids. That shiny look is enough for a summer makeup because it's a daily makeup. We don't want to use a lot of product on my face. So let's move on with eyelashes. I will cover my eyelashes with this. I don't know its name. I know it's Turkish name, but I don't know its English name. Doesn't matter. That's enough, I guess. And I will use this mascara from Maybelline New York. It's a Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Intense Black. Blah blah blah. I will use this one. I really love it, but it's not waterproof. I prefer waterproof one, but I don't have it. Anyway, it's same. But if you forgot to clean it before sleeping, when you will wake up, your under eyes will be so bad. Let's apply this. Yes, that's enough for summer makeup. So I want to fix my eyebrows first with these two products, and one of them is from Billie's Fillet. So let's do this. Not too much, just a little. And I will apply this Lash and Brow Gel Mascara from Essence. Sorry about my camera, we can see the products clearly. I have nothing to do for it, sorry. So let's fix. Let's move on with some color of my face, and I will use this blush gel cream, I guess. It's cheeky, it's from Maybelline New York. This one. I have 15 nude burn color. By the way, I will apply this product with this. I will mix them. Let's apply this. I use this product a lot. Almost finish. A little smile. Okay, that's enough. Even it's too much. But anyway, we love bronze look, so it's fine. And some on this, and some on my nose. Let's mix them with fingers. It's a little scary. It looks like a sunburn, but shiny. You will love it. Look at this look. I really love it. If you say it's not enough for me, you can use another blush. I will use a blush from Pretty by Flormar. This one. I have 05 Bronze Kiss color. I will use this brush for it, just a little. Smells really good, like a baby powder rose, I don't know. And that's enough for face, I guess. We are shining, we are bronze, and not too much eye makeup, it's fine. Okay, let's move on with lipstick. I will use this lip pencil from Pretty by Flormar, this one. I have nude brown color, 204. Let's apply this. I applied it all of my lips. I don't need to use any lipstick. By the way, my lips seems bigger than it would be. Anyway, I won't use any lipstick. Now I will use lip gloss on it. I will use this Pretty by Flormar Stay True lip gloss. It's a little orange now because I use it a lot. I will apply this on my lipstick. Yes, I applied my lip gloss too, and my makeup is finished now. So we came to the end of the video. If you like my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you loved this video, and sorry about my English. I'm not good enough, but I wanted to try. Thanks for watching this video. See you from next videos.